So it's recommended that each visitor to Death Valley, California have 2 gallons of drinking water available to them to avoid dehydration. Rachel was visiting Death Valley. She went into a gas station that only had 1 liter bottles. She purchased 5 1-liter bottles and thought to herself, this must be enough. Is she right? What this is going to ask us is how many, if she buys 5 1-liter bottles, so 5 liters, how many gallons? And I went ahead and gave you the conversion factor of 1 gallon is equal to 3.79 liters. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a conversion factor. So what is our conversion between liters and gallons? Well, we're going to put what we want on top and what we have on the bottom. And it tells us that in 1 gallon there is 3.79 liters. Now we're going to multiply across. Notice the liters cancel. 1 times 5 is 5 gallons. And on the bottom, we're going to have 3.79. Now, when I do 5 divided by 3.79, I get 1.31926. And we're going to round that to 1.32 gallons. So did she have enough? No. She does not have 2 gallons. A good question to ask as a follow-up would be, how many more would she need to purchase? I encourage you to do that one on your own, and I'll see you next week.